Use ChatGPT without any need to American numbers or European numbers, without any need to any numbers at all, and totally for free. You want to know how? Continue watching that video. Hello heroes and welcome to Hero Dev YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about ChatGPT and how to use it. But listen to me in this introduction, please. ChatGPT is not a danger on programmers at all. Don't be afraid of ChatGPT, but be afraid of the programmer who can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very helpful, and AI is very important and is very helpful to our programmers. So don't be afraid of AI, but be afraid of programmers who are using the AI, because those programmers who are using ChatGPT, or those who are using AI tools like ChatGPT, they are one step ahead of you. So you have to learn how to use AI and how to use it to increase your productivity, to increase your knowledge, because AI is very important, and ChatGPT, one of the most important AI tools in those days. Without any further ado, let me tell you how to use ChatGPT without any phone numbers. Here in VS Code, just press on that extension tab and let's search for Beto and let's install it. Press on install. After installing Beto, we will notice that we have a Beto icon here. Let's press on it. We can ask any our technical questions, or we can make anything. For example, let's create a card component with image and title. Create a card React Native component card with title and subtitle and price and image. And let's see. He is generating our card here. Now he is done. Let's take that card component. You can press here. You can press here to copy its code. And let's go for app.tsx. And let's add it here. Let's just import that card, but we need to remove those duplicated things. And let's render that card here in app.tsx with its property. I want to show you what's happening here. Now we have the card here. Look, great, isn't it? We can add title, card, title, subtitle, card, subtitle, price, and image. Let's add that image URL. That image URL, let's just give it, let's center it, just center it. Great, isn't it? That's our card that we have created with only ChatGPT. We can ask any technical question here. How to declare a variable in JavaScript. And we get an answer. We get var and let and const, and he described what to do and what not to do. Great ChatGPT, isn't it? We can use it here. We can expand it or reduce it. If you see that video is helpful for you, Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Here in our channel, we have a lot of courses. If you are interested in learning React Native or React JS or even Node.js, please subscribe to my channel and get benefits of our free courses. And if you would like to learn more about programming and so, don't forget also to subscribe because we're talking about programming and tracks and so on. See you on the next video and thank you. Thanks for watching.